Now back where we left off. Yeah. Yeah. I really don't get why I'm not having any warning flags. It's strange. Alan, do you know how to add warning flags to my compilation using CMake? Maybe you should just Google it. I did ask ChatGPT, it says this. Set CMake flags, yeah, maybe. Let's try it. No, I don't know. Pick a random place, so we set it. Couldn't configure, that should do it, I think. And then if I recompile, is it now using that? Yes, it is using it. Oh well, that works. Think. Now we get the warnings that I expected. Well, maybe not. Now I get warnings anyway. No, those are warnings I missed all the time apparently. Warning pointer P may be used after operator delete. That's a stupid warning. I just use the value. Yeah, oh no. Let's try something else. I wouldn't know why it would not give me the same error if I do this. Or maybe you should do it at the end of the function. It does a return here. Could turn that into a break. Oh no, still. Didn't fall for it. Oh, I'm using another P here. No, bleh. Kind of stupid that it falls for this. I mean, that it doesn't give me a warning now. Or does it? Ah, it's okay, I could not trick it. Could not trick it like that. Operator delete. Let's see, the E is what? Set status is on tracked. Because the reason I do it like this is because the word says deleted. So you have to delete it and only then it is deleted. So maybe I was thinking that if I set it to delete it first and then delete it, then maybe that's the wrong order or something. I would rather just ignore the warning, I have to say. This was P and this was static cast. Yep, let's try to ignore the warning. Use after free. How do I do that? I think this should work, shouldn't it? Man, did I never use that? It is so annoying. I wrote this and since my memory is not working anymore, I guess. I don't know what to use here. Just a warning or the without a minus or without a minus W? I guess not, because it has to end up here. Nothing is adding a W, so the W must be, the minus W must be part of it. But here it is like with escaped quotes. What does this do? Should I pass a string or should I pass just a warning? Maybe string might make sense. Guess I'll just try. Let's begin with a string. And then of course I don't know what the option was. That one. Use after free. Oh, I guess we did it. Okay, I had to pass it like a string. But I expected warnings. Maybe other warnings. Let me try it again. Make. Do we have other warnings? Nope, no other warnings. What the hell? Ridiculous. I made this change, so now these are no longer defined. They're not defined at all. But I'm doing if something. It should give me a warning. This should say warning, it's not defined. That's the one that I was expecting. I'm using the compiler G++. I guess that one is not part of W all then. I'll add that then here. Okay. Yes, that worked. Great. I'll give it a thumbs up. There, cookie. That was correct. Yeah. And then the next trick is that I want to add a define for that. Post Bonnie. It's minus W post Bonnie warning. This will add, oh wait. You can achieve this by using the target compile definitions function in CMake to add preprocessor definition to the target. You can create 4 different executables with different names and different preprocessing definitions. Here's how you can do it. Set macro values for each macro value in string, substring, macro value 0, 1 and 1, 1. Set target name. No, it's not defining target name for me. Add executable target. Oh, the target name is set to that. Okay, and then add executable target name. Target link Larry and on 3. Okay, and that in a loop. Well, that's nice. I think I can use that. Explain. courtesy of GPT-4. So that is this one. There's no target name, so we just set here. And this one is that one. Oops. Yep. And but what help? Undo. I don't know. Why would I have empty lines there? And what's with this one? It's not one line. Oh, this one. Okay, that is one line. Just too long. Let's break that one up. Good, I think. Unless repo base object directory / source, and there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can edit my alias. Let's just run all. Oh, 4. Ja. Great. Yeah, it has no output, so maybe I should end with echo success. Now if I use single quotes, and my repo base is no longer going to be expanded. Does that still work? That still works, apparently. Okay. Yeah, because I guess it's just executing this in the shell, so I mean it has to be. I would almost say I have to add quotes, double quotes around this in case my repo base contains spaces. Or maybe not. I will never know, because I never use spaces in my directory names. Okay, well, what is next? I think everything now works. Let's just do a commit again. Modified content. Is there never an end to this? Threadsafe. Oh, right. Compile fix. Modified content in that. Okay, git commit. There's an interesting question for ChatGPT. There's a comma missing. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT where the comment should go. See if it understands it. Just one. Probably not. You know, like, yeah. But I just want to test it. There is a comma missing in this sentence. Where do you think the comma should go? Nope, that's not. Okay, we're all happy. ChatGPT graduated. So I need to add a comma there because it's exactly that last meaning that I mean here. Let's find it. This is called for array elements, comma, that have the root graph set when being added to the memory region of an array for the first time. Yes, thank you very much. We are doing a get diff. A memory region that belongs to a managed class or array. No, I guess. Add a note to a parent graph, if any. Maybe I should add a comment for the case that there is no parent graph. When there is no parent graph, and why does that work? I'm not even sure that. And it worked that I deleted that, so let's permanently delete that. I just felt like deleting it, so yeah. Deleted it, and it worked. That one, okay, GS. Yeah, so this is the case for array elements. That are not elements, which maybe. So I'm doing it again, you know, for array elements. Is table index a thing or not? Nope. Table index something. That were or are. It's still in my description, the circular dependency stuff, because I fixed that. I had a bright day. I had a good day, and then I suddenly could fix it. I'm now back to the thread safety thing. Okay, so what's the table index here? Something with table. Table. There's no table here. Table element. So only a in dot table. Yeah. I don't know, let's comment that out. Let's delete it. So another one. Yeah, something like that. If it is at all correct, but I guess it is. So again, now compile that, and then we can run it again. Hello world. Really? Oh yeah, here's one. Clause member test. Can I do something like just use that? Yeah, it looked good. Okay. So we add to root graph stuff and more stuff and more deleted stuff. Commit everything. Work in progress. It's not finished. Right, quit. Let's push it. Maybe I should delete this. Because it's now defined in the from the command line. Command line being actually just, you know, the compiler, whatever. I don't think I don't know how to say it. Commit, git, commit, everything. Also whip, clean. You can push it. Everyone is up to date again. Now I can do grab sources for fix me. I think there's a few related to thread safety and attribute list. These three. Oh, I might have fixed this one. It's asking about root graph, and we now set that or not. I don't know. Yeah, let's start looking at that one, man. All right. Well, that's not the one that I use. Or do I? No, I don't. And that's problem, maybe that is a problem. If this constructor is being called, then the root graph is not being set. It's definitely going to go wrong then. What should happen in that case? So here a root graph is being passed to that constructor, which is then passed to the level node. And then the label node Then we'll not just storing it, just passing it to node, and in the end it's, yeah, I'll just store it wherever. Somewhere, stored somewhere as being the root graph. What if I create an array and I'm not passing a root graph? That would be this one. Let's say that happens if I add, for example, an array to a class, right? I mean, then I would not have a root graph. The root graph that I should use then is equal to the root graph of the class. I think I already had that. And it works, so that's strange. A root graph tracker, where does that come from? This is a copy constructor, so I guess it assumes we can get the root graph from there. Well, that's another reason then to worry that it is not set. Yep, let's find a case where we create an array without passing a root graph. Array. Yeah, it's array. It's just a default constructor. Well, it's not. This is an array inside a class. And then we are constructing that, passing a root graph. Now theoretically, I would say I could not pass it, and then it would have to pick it up from anyway, I think, from the class, because the class knows what the root graph is. Why would I have to pass it here as well? Let's be flexible. But that's why it works, I guess. I'm just passing the root graph. AKA, if this is the solution, I should remove that constructor. That allows me to create an array without a root graph. Yep, and then the other arrays, I think all arrays currently have root graphs. So AS does, and here as well. Well, here's the root graph. This one is the move constructor, so it just gets it from AS. I think it's an interesting attempt to see what happens if I remove this root graph here. I think all hell will break loose somewhere, but where and how can we fix it? What is that? An error? Ooh. It doesn't exist. No matching function for call to there is only array constructors that initialize a list with a root graph. Then what was I seeing? a second ago I had one that had no root graph. It said with the comment, fix me, root graph, question mark. That must be this one. That one takes a begin element size, number of elements. Oh, right, it's array memory region. Maybe I'm just not using it then at all. Which means that maybe I should indeed just delete it. So it's the base class of the array, and I always pass a root graph. Well, I say always, but scroll down here. My base class. The base class root graph, other standard move, other standard move. Simply is none that takes no root graph. So in order to test this, to test the one where I do not have a root graph, I would have to add an an array constructor that does not have a root graph, and then just not pass that to the array memory region owner. And I'm still curious, so I'm just going to do that. Call it a waste of time. Oh, I'm in there. So we're going to have a constructor without a root graph, just initialize the list, and a what, and then no root graph, cannot pass it. So that compiles, and then this should crash or something. It crashes there. That's not really a crash. It's assert false without a comment. Oh, I just never implemented it. Okay, so now we're getting it. The fix me here is we don't have a root graph, so I can't do anything, and it can't do anything here. The assert false means it's not implemented. No, interesting. I think I can't. I just don't have a root graph here, so probably should do nothing. And then later on it will go wrong, or later on, I don't know. How later on what? Later on how? It's only acceptable, I guess, when the whole array is already part of another region. So we can just search for a memory region here, and then if we find it, everything is okay. If we don't find it, then I can assert. Then the root graph should have been passed. So in the case of what I just changed, that is an array inside a class, we should find the memory region of that class, I think. And then we can copy the root graph from there. Which means that I have to do probably exactly the same thing as other constructor, except the root graph stuff. This constructor has a root graph and a begin element size number of elements. index type info, the mangled index type name and string view what? That's a lot. Cannot remember that. Let's copy it. I think this one was much shorter, wasn't it? Ah, it isn't. Begin element, number of elements, index type info, team. No, it's the same thing except the root graph. Okay, so I can just copy all of this. Let's copy all of it. Sitting in the dark again. Where's my percentage? There. Copy. Paste. And then you have to find the root graph, which doesn't exist. Root graph. Paranoia check. Yeah, that we don't have a root graph. Let alone we can do that assert. So we don't have a root graph tracker either now, so I cannot get a key. Create a key that is unique for index root graph pair. Whoa, okay, some work has to be done there then, later on. As soon as I know the root graph, I have to do all this stuff. Can I make a private function of this that I just call later? Suppose I call it later. As soon as I have the root graph, get the tracker, check that it actually exists. Why not? Create a key that is unique. Then we create that key. And then index container sets. Okay, yeah, we just find the index container set that belongs to that thing. And then have a reference to it. If it was the first time we encountered such a thing. Then it's inserted. And we set a label. All right, that's that thing. I'll show you. I don't have a big view here though. Sorry, crap. Well, I think it was the last time that I did run it, so it's just down there. The big view. Don't show my porn. Just craft.png. Ah, thank you. Makes me so nervous, those graphical things. Just kidding. So this here, this is a label node, and this is the label, I think. Or maybe this, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's an HTML label. So it's just one label and then crafted with HTML or something like that. but for each different index we get a different one. So a index is a type, and then that is not an integer. It's a type that is abstract and that is being used. It wraps an integer or wraps a size type, and it's used as the index into the array. So it could have a index and then also b index, and then we get a label node for all arrays that take a index as the index. So this is a index being 0, being 1, being 2. And then I could have another one like that somewhere else, which says array b index, so like here, and then other arrays. And that these all need to have the same size, right? Because their arrays have fixed size, and a index means just the index means something. It stands for something. So if index 2 has a value here, it also exists there. But a b index could say have a different length for each array. Then that's what's happening here. It adds the array around the demangled index type name. So this here is the a index, demangled, well, type name, and then we add an array around it, and we have the label for that label node. But of course that only has to be done when we add it for the first time. We add something for the first time to that label node. So if it was not inserted, the insert here, where was my insert? Try in place, I mean. If it wasn't, the key was not seen for the first time, then we can skip that. And now we still add the array to that index container set. So that would be the whole table that you see. So we have 2 tables, and then that means that we got here twice. We definitely have to do that, and apparently we can only do that once we know the root graph. Yeah. I think I just have to get the root graph here. There's no reason to delay it. I can just get it. But it's not easy. We have to look in the memory region that this array is being placed in. So I think I need to start with creating a memory region. Memory region. Which is then equal to the whole array. I should already have that. Memory region owner. This is obviously the whole array. So I already have that. Memory region owner is what? Memory region owner has a protected register memory region. That should be the thing that I need then. No excess of word. I'll just I could get it. I could add an accessor, I guess, but I'm just gonna recreate it. Oops, why not? Memory region. Memory region also takes character const pointer and a size, although we're calling that one. No reason to change it afterwards. Now I want to look up this memory region and then find if it is known or not. Oh, I already had that. How do we do that? Look up a memory region. Well, I have absolutely no clue, but we can search through all the code where I used memory region before. It's quite a lot of places. Should be someplace somewhere we are doing this memory region. Does too much already memory region implementation, right? So let's just go to class or something. And then not a header file probably. That could be pretty close. Let's have a look there. Oh, nope, not really. Maybe one of the other ones. Not really. No. I'll have to look at the code that calls this, I think. This was already found at that point. Form owner. Form owner of. There we are. Memory region to owner linker. Well, that sounds like what I need, right? I have a memory region and I want to find the owner or some owner. Except each one of these searches for something with the size of an item, a single item. So the pass must be an item pointer here. I would like to search for the whole array. Why not? Or on the other hand, it must start as an item, I think. I'm confused again. Do we already have the memory region, right? So I should do something like that. Memory region to owner map. Private and all. I need access. Let's begin with getting access to my memory region to owner linker. Or maybe you should use a singleton then here. We have a singleton. Do I make it myself very difficult now or not? Yeah, I'll be right back. I'll have to turn on the light. Wait a minute. can't see what I'm typing. While I'm standing anyway, I'm gonna get some water. Some water to drink. Oh God. Normally I never drink. I'm never thirsty. But today I did buy pizza in the shop. I put way too much salt in it, I think. Okay. That thing, yeah. Grep sources. I think this is it, right? This is it. Dot linker. Yeah, it's still difficult. Let me just copy this line. And then you have to find back where I was. Nobody knows. Oh, yeah. Dot, dot, dot. So that type is a linker type. Memory region to owner linker type. Yep. That's an unlocked so that it gives me access to this memory region to owner linker, which is what I want. We have it read locked, and then we get friend. We get here, and now we have options like inform owner of, public, only this one. It takes an item, that's it. So you can register a whole memory region, but you can only look for items, single items. I think a label node is an item, but still. Good if I use some more comments here. Inform owner of, what does it do? It just finds a single item. So if I just use this current interface as is, then it is going to find the innermost region that contains the single item that we point to, and then use that, and that must be a graph, otherwise it should not register a memory region. And then we set that as the parent graph of the thing that we just put in that memory region. I don't want to do that. I just want to find it. Hmm. Len, yeah, I didn't see you. Let me check if you have a voice here. I'm not sure if I can do that at all. I should get notifications for Discord, I think. I missed someone by 3/4 of an hour. Yeah, is there anyone here at all? It sounds. Yeah, I don't think anyone is here. Yeah, probably left. Oh no, I don't know how to leave it. Edit channel, create invite, open chat. Oh, that button. I meant Shy Hulgon Ting. It's actually a nice idea. All the people that join this stream, give them a voice through Discord. Could be messy in the end. Maybe a bit too messy, but well, the idea is fun. Okay, I'm kind of stuck here, right? This is written for automatic adding it to whoever registers a memory region. And I don't want to add myself now, I just want to get the object that owns it. Do I need to do this find? Getting tired again. I think I'm gonna stop. Suppose I should return something, just not inform owner of, but let's say get owner of or something like that, and then return this second pointer, which is then no, it's not. This one, default owner. So return a memory region owner. Owner. The heck is this pointing to? It's just a tracker. Guess it's the tracker of itself. I should get the tracker, guys, instead of the memory region to owner object. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, distracted and tired and everything. Play a game of chess. Is that correct? Oh, I take. I could take there, but I threaten anyway, or go here with the queen. Threat to check here. If you put that in front of it, I can just take it now. Because you take back and take that. Or, well, they could play knight here, I suppose, attacking my queen. Now my knight is here. If I remove my knight, then they take my queen. If I remove my queen, they take my knight. So that kind of would work-ish if I could... The rook is not defended. I could go straight down. Still would lose. Queen takes... If the queen is here, I mean. Go 2 down. That might actually work. No, it is not, because this pawn is here. So the bishop is on that diagonal. He could just take here, attacking my queen. I think I just have to do a normal move. No, come on, that cannot be good. What do I take here? Okay, if he takes here, I take there. If he takes here, I would not. No, I don't. Well, that was only 2 points. Wait a minute. So I take 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 is plus 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. I don't know. Why is this so difficult? But you can also put the queen here and then. But it's still, I just leave my, I'm just gonna take it, come on. I want to see this. And I have this check, goes there, down, down. And then I have to take here anyway. Maybe I should just start with that anyway. Well, now I lost my knight, of course, but well. That doesn't even threaten anything. Well, that threatens my bishop, but... So I retreat my knight and then, or I can put the knight here as well. Put the knight here, put the pawn in front of it. Well, then I have a problem, I think. Let's go here. But then he takes here maybe, and then my rook is attacked. No, well, maybe afterwards. No, it's not true. Pawn forward, and then I just put my bishop all the way back. Cannot take it. We are +1. Cost a few minutes, but hey. My development isn't that great, however. It's pretty damn bad. I can develop this pawn with tempo. That makes a difference. Little bit different. A tiny little difference. I think they're going to play the bishop here, and I put my pawn forwards, attacking the queen. Queen attacks that. Then I can put my bishop here. No problem. I can do that anyway. Oh, what is this? Okay, now I can go here. Threaten, he has to take it. Yeah. Lose this pawn. Take, take, take. I don't like that. What about using the knight? Seriously. Must admit that my development is pretty bad. Really have to do something about that. I think taking en passant is doable, but I start taking his queen. Not doable. No, not doable. And then I just block. Oops, I block everything. Defend everything, block everything. I'm gonna chase this bishop away now. Go away. And then I can develop my my knight with tempo on the queen. There's so many tempo. And then I can develop this bishop. Or it just takes my knight, and I just take with the bishop developing as well. Wait, no. He takes it. I still don't want his queen to take here. That would be not nice. I would have to take with the queen, I guess. If they take like this. It's not really developing then. Yeah, when people start to do this, suddenly they start to think very, very long in a bad position. Oh, like that, yeah, that's what I mean. Let's get out of the pin. I get more and more tempi. It's unbelievable. I think I attacked this screen like 5 times now. In this case, I win a piece even. Probably should resign. And he did resign. Wow. That was a weird game. I think I must have been pretty bad. I had a pretty horrible, excuse my local computer, pretty horrible position there. Theory. I don't know about this one. Is that good? 0.6. It's not a disaster apparently. And I should develop my knight, it says. Oh, I didn't do that, did I? I did. Very good. They should take my pawn. They did. I should take back. I did. They should develop the knight. They didn't. They attacked it. Now I'm plus 0.9. No, I can just take the pawn. And I did. Oh, I'm playing like stockfish. They took my knight, then I should take their knight. So far it is 100%. 100%. So good. They should do that, and they did. Suspicious. I should have developed my queen and give away my pawn on g2. Because I guess they can hardly take here. Threaten to remove my knight with check. I don't know. Let's have a look what happens if they take here. Oh, plus 11. Yeah, no, I didn't see that. How on earth is that plus 12? I still don't see it. Just don't see it. Okay, if I go here and I put the queen in between, then I have this one. Okay, then I win the queen. That's something. And if they move, let's say, the king, that would be that the only way, and that is mate in 12. Yeah, obviously. I should have seen that immediately. Check. Double check. That would be mate, not possible. It's probably also very bad. Mate in 5. Okay, just lure the king into the open and give away knight, yeah. And then, I don't know. Start giving checks a lot. And then eventually, after a long time, and then we repeat. I'll go that way, why not here? Oh, because, oh yeah, no, never mind. Check. Okay, what's wrong with the knight? Well, the bishop is just giving the bishop away, so I'm gonna go here. Oh, now we can go there, yes. Threaten mate, undefendable. Oh, they can still castle. I lost my mate in 12 somewhere. I don't know how. I was doing what the computer said. No, it's +6 instead of plus. Oh, this is mate. Should have done that. Yeah. Well, okay. King in the middle. Let's call that. And then what I didn't check yet is that one. And then we get that trick. Put something in front of it. I just take it. Check. And then why they are not doing that, because then it goes back with check. Yeah, mate in 3. Okay. Go there. Rescue the knight. The rook. thought it was made in so and so much. It's again vanished. This isn't. It's just plus 12. As I don't know. It's hard for me to see. This is hard for me to see why this is winning for white. it's really hard to see. Why the hell is this winning? We're check. Goes to the side. Do that. Threaten to take a rook. Yet they do that. Why? Oh, now I see. They can take this pawn and then I take their queen. This must be the best move. Taking the pawn on h2. No? Okay, let's do that one. Still not taking the rook. Let's take this bishop. No, we take the rook. And we gobble up stuff. Yeah. I guess I'm up a lot of pawns and a rook and a bishop. Dude, that's why they cannot take there. There's no way for me to see that. No way whatsoever. So instead I played that with a check plus a half. And then I went all the way back plus 0.3. Nah, all my advantage is gone. Plus 1 if I would have attacked the queen, but I didn't. Oh, now black is even better. Yeah, well, I said I think I've been pretty bad. They castled. It's not that bad then. I'm again slightly better. I'm again doing the stockfish move. And now I'm not, but still 0.6. And I do it again. And that was a bad move. And I do it again. Oh my god, I'm gonna request a computer analysis because I really get the idea that I did. I must have played like 90% perfect moves, I think. Better. Inaccuracy. Timmy. One blunder, one mistake, and one inaccuracy. 87, so I did not reach the 90%. Did not learn from your mistakes. I put the knight back, but I should not have done that. Yeah, I should have done that, of course. Because logical. I just saw it, I mean. Here, I play this knight, that's not good. Knight f4 is a double question mark. That's a really stupid move. Apparently. I should have done this. Yay, attack the queen and the bishop. And defend the knight as a rook. So now I can take the bishop. What is that? Done reviewing White's mistakes. Nice. That was a good game, man. Yeah. I've been better all the time, except here. This 1 point. That's where I would buy stocks. And then it goes back again and it goes up. Sell here, buy here, sell here. That's how you do it. Oh wait, this is just... So I'll play another game. Sicilian it is. And I played that. I don't know the name. I'm out of theory. Okay, this is still theory. I just don't know how it's called. What the heck? I think this is a good move for some kind of attack on if you set out bishop. But what if I play this and I don't finish shadow my bishop? Still tries that. No, I could go there and then I can just go here, or I can just take it. Let's just take it. I take, he takes, I take, he takes. Queen ends up here, I castle. He puts a bishop there. I'll lose equality. Now I can defend this point with my bishop. Then the knight comes, threaten to take my bishop. Where's the queen? The queen is still here. And that knight is here. But my bishop is also defended by my queen. So then I can push my pawn. Threatening to put it here. So they take it, I take. Looks good. It's not really an advantage for me though, because I'm giving away 2 pieces for a pawn and a rook. I don't like this attack though. Let's do it. The knight has not been developed there. Let's ask if he wants to exchange queens. Probably not. Maybe he does. He exchanges queens. Okay, so then we go for this square here. Oh, that sucks. Right. It's not that good for me. It's not that good. Why didn't I just develop my knight? Boy. I think castling is in order. The bishop can come here and stopping my rook. I cannot defend it anymore. If he could attack that again, but he can't. Oh, he's attacking that. Yeah. Definitely possible. And then after taking it, he takes my pawn. Ouch. I missed that one. Yeah, now I'm losing. That's a whole pawn. Or I can just go away. Why not? Actually, let's go away. I can't even put the bishop here now. This pawn is a gunner, I think. And they have the bishop pair. I should lose this. It's really bad. Can't even do this. Pure horror. Yeah. See, now I have to take it. Also about to lose this pawn here. Gotta be kidding me, right? Those bishops are too strong. Huh? Oh, my knight. Okay. Maybe not absolute horrors, absolute fatal. It's still playable-ish. I'm 2 pawns down though. If the bishop goes here, then what? Or there for that. No, if it goes here, just take it. It goes there. Okay, well, all or nothing, right? Now I'm threatening to give him check. Not much actually. Threat to take this pawn. And we are equal again in material, except that of course it's white's turn and he's going to do something about it, like a rook takes pawn. No, he wants mate me. Is that even possible? I don't think so. I'm gonna take here. Oh, that's a bit, yeah. Resign. I'll wait for the check and then resign, I guess. No, that was stupid. Why is you thinking about this so long? Giving me hope that I won't see it. If this guy, you know, there's really people. Oh, they really did not see it, or I don't know what. I could just give check and take my rook. Kind of strange. What is the threat here? There is still a threat of check, and if I go there, it's mate. That's why I have to go here, and then they can give check there, and that's also mate. So I probably have to defend myself like that. I think they did see it, but I just hoped that I would do something else, like not giving check, and then defend against the mate, and have only 10 seconds left. So. Okay, upon check, I'll just go forward. I can pre-move, I guess, because what else would he do if I can go forward and having given check? Attacking my rook is out of the question. So I'm pre-moving because really have to move within a second. Now I want to promote, I suppose. This is not good. I'm gonna go back because I don't have time. I can do this, and then it comes there. Oh wait, what did I do? I'm still on this line. That's good. I have to do something here. Oh boy. I'm so losing. So unbelievable. Oh, no, he's threatening mate. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was lost anyway. Plus, I didn't have any time to analysis boards. How long was I already lost? +5 all the time. +9, yeah, +10. This definitely should have picked up my rook. But he didn't. Still +6. +7. I did win a little bit back apparently. How can I be even this far back still +6 for white? Why? There we go, wrong. Taking the pawn was completely wrong. The computer says, like, completely wrong. Why? Simply push this pawn and white is still better. Well, not that much. Explain to me why this is +6. As if I give away my bishop and my knight for free. But I don't. I take a rook and a pawn. Oh, let's ignore the rook and the pawn. It's just completely lost, according to the computer. What nonsense is this? Why is this lost? How is this lost? White is not in a hurry. What a weird way to draw an arrow for. I can click on the rook. Ridiculous. It keeps being plus 6, even though you do all the computer moves. Developing everything. White is hardly developing. Wait a minute, what just happened? They attack my pawn twice and I don't defend it. And then they don't take it. We would take it, and what? Still plus 6. I could win this pawn back, okay, with a tempo on the knight. Okay, so we go there, it's better. Take it, take it. Take the king. No, they can take it. Although then we have this. I don't see any change. It's still material, still equal, right? I have a rook that's completely out of the game for a knight and a bishop and a pawn. What? No. Flikker op. Bishop, bishop, queen, queen, rook, rook, one rook, bishop and knight. But they have 4 points. Okay, so I'm 1 point behind. One Euler point behind. And it says plus 7. And it has said that already for 20 moves long, and I don't think it was thinking that deep. So based on some magical pattern here, it's just 6 points down. Not material, but simply some neural network pattern. Let's bring my rook into the game. They defend that pawn. King safety. Take the bishop. Right. Sacrifice the rook. And in the meantime we are plus 7.6, despite that it gives away material now. Now the amount of material, this is like 10 what is here, and the rooks are 10, and then 3 points. Material is equal. Material is equal. And I don't see any threats really, and it's plus 7.7. Based on what? Not on material. This is so weird. And another sacrifice? No, not really. You gotta check here. And the rook drops. Yeah, okay, that's true. Maybe should I do a different move? Nope. Oh wait. Now he changed his mind. Everything's bad. Apparently. Okay, let's go there. Is that maybe the reason? Why the three connected 3 pawns? Is that worth a 9 points or something? And I'm giving away a pawn. Why? Plus 11. Oh my god. How is this possible? It was plus 6. Nobody understands why. Then I do computer moves on both sides. And slowly I'm squeezed from plus 6 to plus 12. Plug cannot do anything. They just come closer and closer to promotion. Well. Let's give away the queen too. Hey, we get a new queen. See, new queen. And a knight. And no queen anymore. I don't want a queen. Just give mate. I think it's safe to say that I cannot play chess. I have no idea why that is plus 6. No idea whatsoever. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna quit. I'll see you guys.